Gas got problem, over.
So, some further news. We're now Amazon Associates. What does that mean? Well, it means that we can put links to products that we use in the description below. So have a look below at the description and you'll see some links to a variety of products. Products such as our Maxitech AIS transponder. So there's a link to a Maxitech HP 528A, which is the transponder version. What happens is if you buy, then we actually get a little bit of commission for it. We've also added a Raymarine Axiom into the list, as well as a number of other boating items or technical items that we use during filming, such as the DJI Osmo Pocket or our radio mics. They're also listed there on Amazon, and there are links in the description below. And more importantly, there's a link for my book, which is on Amazon. Just in Kindle form, but it's there. But seriously, all of this helps us fund our future adventures. Funds are always difficult to come by, and so we're looking at all sorts of different avenues in order to raise sufficient funding for us to actually complete our plans. So if you want to help us, you can become a patron. Please do subscribe, or even become one of our VIP friends. So it's a nice day, we're just going to go for a gentle run back down to our spot at Hessel. Might do a little bit of flying or something. Because in the loft we had a near disaster. Unusually for us, but we got a little bit distracted with people. Janet was watching for a plastic bag and didn't notice that a loop on one of the forward lines had just caught on the shank of the shackles. And we had to quickly ask Gav to stop the lock and go sort that out. We were hung up by about a foot by the time I got down there and managed to kick the line off. Working on the line, and then I give it a swift kick and we drop. And then it's back up to the helm and get ready to go out.
Good kick. Cheers, Gav.
It's a beautiful day down here. Very calm. skies. Perfect around the Humber Bridge. The salute was for a mariners' welfare charity. Janet's very busy washing this side of the boat since we're in this side. And Kit's just come out again. Whoa! Cruelty to cats. You're on film.
Don't think about it, Missy. Or when she sees me get my bag
Okay, so we're going to have a look at the gear selection side. Now, this is our lower helm selector. So if I go into forward, the stop is directly and going hard onto its full motion there. Going to reverse, and there's a good 3-4 mil before it goes in. Now we have no problem in selecting reverse at all. Going into forward, yeah, it's not fully engaging when the oil gets hot. So what we've done is just disconnected the linkage that goes up to the upper deck. So this is straight to the gearbox now. And then if we're going to reverse, we've still got clearance on the stop, and forward is going straight up to the stop, hard on. So what we'll need to do is try and balance that out first of all. So what I've done, backed off the check nut there, and then just adjusted this so that we've now gone clear on that stop there, and also going into forward we're now clear on that stop there. So that is giving me maximum travel in either direction there. And so we've got the selector in neutral position there. What we'll do is take the split pin out, withdraw the cable, move both into forward, and then just see if the cable will drop straight into the fully forward position for forward gear. Okay, so with the selector on the gear box fully forward and the cable fully forward, we're now extending beyond on the cable where it needs to be, so that could come back. So if I pull this back and go into reverse as far as it'll go, and do the same on here, we're again in more travel on the cable, and then bring it back into neutral, and it's hard work pulling the cable. Well, on the cable and that on the selector, I'm looking at the selector on the control, and it's back to where it wants to be, and that just slots in. So I'm happy with that as an adjustment. We've got more travel on the cable, whereas before we didn't. We were actually bottoming out on the cable before we were fully in forward gear. Next we'll just have a quick look at the oil level. Now I've already freed that off a little bit, so that's easy. Pull the dipstick out. Oil level looks good, and actually the oil looks in nice condition. So we'll just have not a taste, no, not a taste, smell. Doesn't smell bad. It's not burnt. It's just got an oily smell, and got just a very slight whisper of bracken and no, it's just a perfume, oily perfume. And so I've just tried it. Won't know till we go out and run it, but both are engaging nicely and getting so much prop wash that the boat behind us is being pushed backwards. Got something a little different today. Got a hovercraft coming. See, in basic controls, very basic controls. There's a track in the sand. That was from the hovercraft coming back.